Hello everyone. If your Xfinity xFi port is not working or not connecting, it can affect your Wi-Fi coverage and speed. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix it step by step and get your port back online. So first of all, you need to make sure that your xFi port is placed correctly. It should be between your router and the weak signal area and not too far away. Also, you need to check that it's properly plugged in and the indicator light is also on. If placement is wrong, the port won't connect properly. Once that is confirmed, you can just simply try our second fix, in which you just have to do nothing but to just simply restart your modem, your router and xFi port. For that, you just have to turn off all of these three, and then you just have to wait for about 60 seconds. After that, you just have to turn them back on one by one. So you can also unplug and replug the xFi port, and this step is going to refresh the entire network and offer fixes the connection related issues. Now you can also open your Xfinity application on your phone. Here you need to remove the port from the network and you need to set it up again from the scratch. Also follow further on-screen instructions in order to connect it properly. This clears any kind of setup errors or any kind of pairing issues. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your Xfinity xFi port connection issue is resolved. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.